So welcome to Kevin's Live here, and we're actually in Dublin today. So we're doing a lovely spring lamb dish, just lamb chops, simple, great vegetables, great mashed potato, really simple. It's perfect for Easter Sunday if you want to do that. So the first thing you can see, I've got some mash here that was left over from yesterday. I'm going to show you a really cool way of reheating it. So into your pot, put your mash in, and then just move the mash to the side slightly. You can see that the pot is there. I'm just going to put a bit of milk in there and just going to let that bubble away, and then I'll come back to it. Okay. Meantime, let's have a look at these lovely chops and some salt gone in there. A little bit of oil in our pan. Get that going. The salt on this side. And a little bit of pepper. Okay, for our vegetables then, we have some red onion. I'm just going to slice that down, like so. We have a little bit of cabbage. In they go into our pot here. I've just got a little bit of water, maybe a half centimeter of water at the bottom of the pot there. And we're just going to put in some butter in there. We've got some baby carrots. Cut them lengthways. In they go. Rosemary going into that pot. A little bit of parsley. Going to put a lid. Turn these chops over. Delicious. In there, we're going to put a little bit of garlic in our pan. A little bit of rosemary. Okay, to come back into the mash then. See the way the milk has boiled up? So now you're just going to stir your mash through the milk. Basically, that's how you get a lovely creamy mashed potato. Okay, you just keep them to the side. Just put it in. Look in here, Julian, the pots. Got a lovely creamy mashed potato. Beautiful vegetables. You've got your lovely lamb chops there. So I'm just going to put wild garlic pesto, a spoon into the veg. Good dollop of mash. Some of those lovely greens. Oh, look at that. It's like the perfect dinner. Lamb chops, beautiful creamy mashed potatoes. Those vegetables finished off with a wild garlic pesto. My goodness. The perfect Easter Sunday dinner.